Zoe, Atta and Co. The law firm of Atta, the lead counsel in the Republic versus Adu Boahen in the National Signals Bureau scandal. So last week they were supposed to have a hearing and he abandoned Adu Boahen. He decided not to go and he had said it on the media countless times that he wasn't going to appear, and truly he did not appear. But what I need you guys to understand is that according to the Deputy Attorney General, Dr. Sremsai, if he had appeared the last time, that was last week during the court hearing, that would have actually been his last day for cross-examination. Yes. And according to the Deputy Attorney General, Atta has used 3 whole months to cross-examine just one witness. Yes, he has cross-examined one prosecution witness for 3 whole months. Clearly, you and I know these are some of the delay tactics he is employing just to frustrate the system. And like Mustafa Salam said in one of his unguarded speeches and utterances, he said they will make the country ungovernable. So it's like these are some of the things they are using to make the country ungovernable. Again, Kyea has also filed a lawsuit against the Chief Justice for allowing the courts to sit on legal vacations. So it's like so it's like any stakeholder, somebody just getting up, either a parents or somebody in any stakeholder in education deciding to sue a headmaster of a school for organizing vacation classes for 8 final year students to catch up. Clearly, we've all been told that these oral cases are high profile cases. These corruption cases are high profile cases, and then we need to give them maximum attention. So if it calls for the Chief Justice asking judges in the superior courts to sit on legal vacations, what is the big deal? What is the big deal here? But yet Kyea has sued the Chief Justice. Let's see how that will end. But truly, we all know these are all just some antics to frustrate the system, and it is very sad. It is very frustrating. But tomorrow is another day for another hearing. Let us see. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see whether Atta is going to appear tomorrow, or again he's going to abandon his clients. But we all know that everything they are doing is just to frustrate the system. And so it's like they are actually the people who are fighting corruption in its, in our faces. It's like they are fighting the fight against corruption. Yeah, they are fighting against the fight against corruption. Seriously. If you look at it, this is all you can say about whatever they are doing. So the fight against corruption is being fought against by our lawyers. Let's wait. Let's keep our fingers crossed to see what happens tomorrow, whether he will appear or again he is going to abandon his clients in the name of legal vacation. Legal vacation doesn't mean that no court works. And another question I have for Atta is, when you filed for bail for Wontumi on the 7th, was it not also in legal within the legal vacation? Did you file for the bail in a circuit court, or you filed for the bail in a magistrate court? Obviously, you filed for the bail in either high court or appeals court, or in the superior courts, in one of the superior courts, right? So how are you, was it not within the legal vacation when you took the bail application there? Who was supposed to receive it if nobody is supposed to appear in court during legal vacation? Besides, you are a private owned enterprise, and so even if you so badly need to take your break, your vacation, fair enough. There's a reason why you have a whole team. Your law firm is big. You just as in the case of Wontumi, on the final day, you decided to delegate your authority to other team members to represent him when you had to go to the UK to attend a function that was very important to you. You could as well do same. you cannot forfeit your vacation. Fair enough. Allow other people to represent him if you don't want your client to go, because I know every lawyer would do anything to keep their clients, right? But then there's the reason why you have a team. So why don't you let other people, the other people that tomorrow at 8:30, if I walked into Zoe, Atta and co, I would have them to attend to me. Why don't you delegate your power to them? Are you saying they're incompetent to represent you? Is that the case? Anyway, let's wait for tomorrow, guys. I'll go deep into this case, but in the meantime, we are just going to wait and see if he's going to appear or not. In the to conclude, I just want you guys to understand that if he had appeared last week in court, he would have been done with cross-examination. Yeah, that's all you need to know. And the case would have been almost concluded this week. Like last week, it would have been concluded almost. Yes, we could have been looking for judgments any day soon, but he decided to do his antics.
Next year, I will be. I'm a pure medical food because I'm a penang do pure hoodie. You are back. Bad against my mother. I'm a Kenya quality. I'm a copy of about hoodie. I'm a common about. I said, I'm a red team, baby. No, but red tea, what can I clear the last year? What did you care about Kakwan? That's what I got about whatever I tell you about my thing. I got 50 mama when I be a mojo. But we have a quad dance. Hey, Brian, number one, you are. Yeah, number the canoe. Mama had the canoe. What can this in the mammo? You can this in the mammo, but I will buy Shibi. The Kundu Carabelli is come about Babazaki. I come here, I can't come and go be a piny. I come near my enemy. Baby, think I can say, Bessie, I dimly bed you, Bessie, lower town while the bed here. I think Sally did bed here. And no one hasn't done it to Quadia. No, near me. medical essential du kundu bono wale instant
medical really
wana ko sale dana o da ka so be sa jimu le bedi e be se lo wa town le bedi
pari o se ma pari 3 months pari say on my 3 days 3 months of my on my 3 days
e ma ko ai atibu ku so my 3 days
o se on my
3 months ke
o bi ara go e na ko se 3 months no wale at my 3 days there
ọmọ na hindi ọ̀nà débi echi.
Akana kasa na tiẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ dára.
Na beli ẹ̀. Ṣé beli?
Sọ bá bẹ́ẹ̀ bá bọ́ họ.
Beli.
Oh, ọ̀fúnufú.
O ka bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ họ di o ka bẹ̀lẹ̀ di ne yẹlẹ di o.
Ọ̀fúnufú.
Baba họ kìí. But this year, what can Jason? Ghana Jason is doing no. Ghana Jason is on. I Real Madrid Barca.
I'm married for us in here, fighting.
So now Ghana Jason is on.
That's the Madrid game. You're really here. This is a World Cup penalty.
I'm going to come here to you. I can count pound it. Ibashi. Because of the car come out from yard and about the community will come fat. I'll let her come. The car can have a tonality. The car has a bullet like a cabara, so I did away. Not after 450 million. Whatever tonality, but yeah. I mean, no problem. Come and come a team, mango.